Hello, this is Bridget with Divine Essentials. Alright guys, so I'm going to make a YouTube profile picture for my channel. So I went into Canva, which is free. It's available in the Play Store. And in the search bar up top, I wrote YouTube profile. And as you can see, it brings things up. So I just want to be able to use one that's like, pretty easy to use. I'm not going to be crazy about finding the most perfect one. If you see a crown on the bottom or the money things on them, those are paid ones, so we don't want to grab like a paid one. We want to try to find one like this one. I believe I can use as a template. Yes, and it doesn't have paid elements. So when I do that, I'm going to write Bridget brow, boppity boop. Now that's a picture of somebody else, but as you can see, there's all pictures in here too. It's, basically up to you what you would like to create, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So let me see if I can find something. Alright, so I made these two really quickly, and again, if you're in here, you can add a new design, like looking through them, but some are free, some are not. You can edit them all you want, but just for the sake of time, I was gonna just pick one of these for now and bring it over there. Obviously, I would like to spend some more time. So once we get over here, we click on that right in the center there. If you go back to like the actual channel, I've decided to go ahead and start a whole new channel from scratch because I want to be able to show everything from start to end. So we go to manage this, we go to here, we go to gallery, and we will do this one, save as profile picture. And then the one for the back, I'm going to do at a different time. It's a very long, crazy thing. I'm not even sure if they show. Yeah, they don't tell it right here. I'll have to look it up. There's a specific measurement for it. So we will do creating your YouTube channel. What the hell is the name of that thing? It's a big long one. Anyways, I named it. And I did my handle. I can add pronouns. This is my channel URL, and then I can write a description. So I'm going to do one of the ones that I've already got here. Alright, this is Bridget Rouse, so I'm going to take this off. This is from the first thing I did earlier. Alright, now you can see it will all fit in there. So I hit save. And that is that.